All right, today we're going to check out this coaxial cable stripping tool from Jonard Tools. A nice simple design that can be used to strip RG59, RG6 dual, tri, and quad shield cables for TV antennas, satellite dishes, and cable TV applications. This tool is nice and simple for DIYers and professionals alike. There are no adjustments on it at all. It's already set and ready to go. You don't have to fuss with any screws to set the blade depths or anything like that. There is a jaw here that you can press to open the tool to put the cable in. And on the other side here is a stop. You can see it right here. And what that does is keeps the cable set to the right depth so that you're stripping off the correct amount of insulation. Now there's also two sets of blades. You can use this for RG59 or RG6, and then you can flip this little die around, and there's another set of blades on this side when these blades wear out. This cartridge is reversible. All you do is push it out and then just flip it around the other side like that, and now the tool can be used in the left hand. Most stripping tools like this will make two cuts to prepare coax cable for a connector. The first cut exposes this center conductor here, which is right in the center of the coax cable. That's what actually carries your TV signal. And the second cut exposes this braided shielding, foil, and plastic dielectric, which wraps around the center conductor, protecting it from signal loss. And to use the tool, always start with a piece of coax cable that is cut square. And also make sure that it is round. A lot of cutters will leave coax kind of football shaped or oval. Take a minute and just reform that so it's round. And then using the tool, all you have to do is open the jaw, insert the cable so that it meets that stop right here, and then let go of the jaw. And now the cable is held in the tool, and all you have to do is give it a few spins. And once you get that cable stripped, there's an interesting little feature on this tool. On this other side here is a little hook and loop brush that you can use to actually brush back the braided shielding so that it's out of the way and not touching that center conductor at all, because that could short out your TV signal. Looks like they have a lifetime guarantee as well. Feels good in the hands. This coax stripping tool from Jonard, a handy one to have in the toolbox.